Hi and welcome to the OpenI channel. One of our major concerns as an adult is our relationship to money and the way we spend it and reap it. But do you know how our brain reacts when it comes to money matters and how our primitive reflexes prevents us from getting rich? I propose you to discover a series of 18 short videos called The Ways of Wealth. Prepared by me, you can watch them at your own pace, quietly at home, on public transportation, while waiting for the doctor or in the shower. Yeah, no, maybe not in the shower. These episodes can be watched separately, but they will constitute a series of videos that I invite you to watch in its entirety. I will discuss in these episodes many notions, information and suggestions related to your own personal money and how to create and increase your wealth. I would like to help you better understand the relationship we have with it and give you information, ideas and advice to manage it easily, help you build a capital and why not create your wealth. I'm not here to tell you what to do, but rather to help open new perspectives and invite you to reflect on the role and use of this resource in your life. My greatest happiness would be to see that these videos have brought you a little extra or have inspired you to introduce positive change in your daily life. If you appreciate what my videos have brought you, a like, a share or a comment will allow me to expand this knowledge to even more people. For those who would like to support me even more, follow me on social networks or visit my Patreon page to enjoy some extra bonuses. After this short introduction, let's start with the first video, named Primitive Brain and Money, in which I will talk about less known physiological and biological aspects that direct the majority of our financial decisions. Thank you very much and see you soon!